Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another journal that I've made. Excuse me, just having to clear my throat. This is a traveller's notebook and it measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. It has one signature. There's 108 pages in this one, so it's a lot bigger than I would normally do for a traveller's notebook. I've used digital kits from Tsunami Rose, her Charming Fragments. I've used quite a bit of ephemera from Tsunami Rose as well. They're all different various ephemera packs. And I've used a little bit of Artie Mays, and I think it's Christy Art Designs and Cameo Shop. This will be listed in my shop for sale. So I've done my my go-to thing at the moment, which is doing some layering, adding an image. The image here has been sewn onto teal coffee dyed paper. We've got some bling here. We've got a butterfly with some bling in the middle, and I kind of got a bit of a lisp then when I said that. I don't have a lisp, but I don't know where that came from. But the word memories here, and that you can get a full sheet of freebies from Artie Mays on her website and also on her Facebook page. So let's go inside. All the links will be below. Right, let's get this all straight. I've got a lovely creative mess either side of what you can see here, so it's all just like pushed to the side for just now, because I'm going to crack on and do something else in a minute. This is the Charming Fragments. This is Traveller's Notebook size. This comes in 2 sizes, and there is 2 kits. You've got Charming Fragments 1 and Charming Fragments 2, and I can't remember if this is 1 or 2 that I've used. Can't remember, so I'm sorry. So we have a Terri Woods flip out pocket, and Terri is linked below as well. She can do some lovely little pockets and tuck spots with just like plain coffee dyed paper, and then you can decorate it all up. I've done a doily, a ticket, a butterfly with some eyelash trim, and then here we have the Tiffany & Co tag. We have a journal card here. Let's get this right in there. There is a coffee dyed stamped tag. There is a tag here from Artie Mays, and that's been sewn onto some teal coffee dyed paper. And then we have some ephemera from Tsunami Rose. And we have a doily, some edge punching, a paper bag, an Edith Holden with some crocheted trim, some vintage printable music paper, and then here we have some ephemera from Tsunami Rose. Just a little journaling card that I made, and then I just done some edge punching at the bottom. And there's a little mini postcard there. That's from one of Artie Mays' kits. I can't remember which one. I think this is the floral collage. I put on some cardstock tabs, just using some scraps up. This is some ephemera from Tsunami Rose. This is from the old design shop. There is lots of places to journal. Here I've just made a side tuck, used some music paper, some scraps, and then a paper ruffle, 2 tags. This tag is from Artie Mays. Oops. We have a doily here, some edge punching, some ledger, some more ledger, some stamping. This is Tsunami Rose. I have to take a little drink. I fell in love with, I don't know if you can see it, it's just orange squash with lemon and limes in it, and there was ice cubes in there, but they've melted because it's so hot. A corner flip. This is inspired by Rita Donnelly. Doily, ticket, and a butterfly. I keep meaning to put Rita's channel in the box below. Let's see if I can remember this time. Another tag that I've stamped, a journal card here, and a Tiffany & Co tag. Another doily, edge punching paper bag, Edith Holden with some crocheted trim, some vintage printable music paper. Here we have a large bingo card. This is just a little flip up with the bottom being punched, and then a little tiny journal card, another tab, some vintage ephemera from Tsunami Rose. This is from the old design shop. Centre of the signature. Here another little journal card, and this is a flip with some ephemera. Oh, there we go. Some more Edith Holden. The other side of the paper bag. A flip up. A postcard here. So they're all print. Most of it's all printables. A tag from Artie Mays. A stamped tag. A journal card. And a Tiffany & Co tag. Some more of that ledger. This is a little flip out, so you can do some journaling there, and it's also a pocket, and it's got the paper ruffle. We have a tag and a stamped tag. It just pops in there. I love this page, it's so pretty. Another flip out here with another one of these journal cards and a large piece of ephemera. Oopsie. Another paper cardstock tab. Here we just have some ephemera. They're so pretty. And this piece of ephemera there. So this is the second video I've done today. I'm on a roll. Obviously I didn't complete the journals all today. I'm quick, but I'm not that quick. It's just stuff that I've slowly done over the weekend, like coffee dye printing, coffee dyeing, you know, just cutting things out, and then I've got loads ready to get cracking with when I do have like full days to myself. So that's a pocket. This is another Terri Woods inspired flip out, because I know people are going to say, "Cool, you're fast," but it's just because I'm well prepared. I've actually got two other journals that are kind of put together, and they just need pockets and tuck spots and a bit of decoration. So when I don't do I haven't done a video since I think it was last Thursday. So that's what I've been doing since last week, just preparing. So that is the journal. Like I said, the links will be below. This will be listed for sale, and if you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.